Hey and Assalamualaikum. My name is Masrul, and I will talk about my part in introduction. What is objective? Our objective is to understanding of parcel service apps service company in bracket UPS or apps. Our group need to get better understanding of the United Parcel Service on their transportation process involved in transporting goods and idea behind the strategies and the company implement and the industry standards practice. Next, we go to the industry background. United Parcel Service, American package and document delivery company operating worldwide. By this, the OOPS began in Seattle in 1907 within 19 years old James E. Casey and other youngster Claude Ryan. At that time, they started out with a borrow $100 and set up shop in a cellar beneath Ryan Uncle Bar. Next is the business is divided into three segments: domestic package operation in United States, international package operation, and supply chain and freight operation. Which includes delivery service for express mail, papers, package and palletized freight via air and ground service. Is referred to the US domestic package and international package. Next, we go to the objective. The objective is OOPS need to achieve the biggest strategic goal set for the long term. And next, we go to the mission. They need to grow their business by serving the logistic needs and of customer. Next is their need to their mission is to maintain their financial strong company with broad employees. Third mission is they wants to inspire their people and business partner. For their vision, OOPS helping customer pioneer more sustainable solution with delivering package more efficiency, creating more connection with delivering logistic service. For their current strategy, first current strategy is customer first. What is the customer first is because their approach of the organization aims to give greater digital experience possible. Next is people lead. The firm will outline the step in its taking improve employee satisfaction and raise possibility that an employee will suggest OOPS as a wonder place to work. For the third strategy is driven by innovation because OOPS address their strategy to building show owner well by delivering continually greater returns on investment capital. Next, we go to the achievement of law. Their achievement is begin on 1907. It is because they start to do the shop within the model with $100. And into the new one achievement is new direction. It is because the new CEO was the first female CEO in the company by 113 years of history that OOPS run. Okay, that's all.
UPS differentiates its product industry-wide, overlooking its pricing. UPS is devoted to provide the best service in the market. They offer a low-cost service that allows customers to ship things practically everywhere. They promise excellent customer service and on-time delivery. Unlike FedEx, their charges have risen in recent years, but not their quality of service. Thanks to the technological development, they could distribute items more quickly and efficiently. So it could be said that UPS represents over 220 countries. UPS market sector is global because its diversity, customer base, and geographical distributions. Although UPS have several locations, they are still a reliable company that provide excellent service. UPS and FedEx have lowered their delivery rates to compete with the UPS. On the other hand, handle more volume and ensure customer satisfactions. In addition to expanding overseas, they have determined effort to deliver package on time or early. As the company expands abroad, clients can more easily interact and transact in a foreign market. UPS connect people and product through sophisticated logistics. The BCG metrics will help us build business level strategy for this business unit. First, the BCG metrics will be used to locate UPS strategic business divisions. For the stars, UPS Financial Service strategic business unit shines on the BCG metrics. This SBU generates a large amount of the UPS revenue that bridges the supply chains company to vertically integrate UPS. Due to the potential of the strategic business unit, it will help increase income. Cash cow, supply management service is UPS strategic business that has been running for decades and has made UPS functions. UPS has a large market share, but firms handle supply in-house rather than outsourcing. UPS recommend strategy is to start investing in this firm and run until it becomes profitable. Question mark. UPS BCG metrics feature a question mark for the strategic business unit for the local foods. Recent market trends imply that consumers have become more discriminating about regional delicacy. As the result, this market is booming. UPS, on the other hand, has negligible presence in these sectors. That UPS recommend the strategy is to invest in R&D to develop a new feature. This strategy is produce development that will ensure that this is key business unit eventually become a cash cow, creating revenue for this organization. Last, dogs. UPS plastic bag strategy business unit is a dog in the BCG metrics. This essential company unit has been losing money for the last 5 years. Additionally, it's operate market that decline as the environment concern develops. UPS recommend that cost of the action is to diverse and reduce loss in this critical business division.
Hi, my name is Aidit bin Ahmad Zainuddin and I will be presenting the SWOT analysis of UPS. So as for the strengths, the first one is strong international presence, as UPS is now leading the market with its services and delivery. Currently, UPS delivers deliveries in more than 140 countries and territories. The second one is online tracking, as they can track 295 million shipments per day. The third one is excellent customer service. This is because they satisfy their customers by providing on-time delivery. Their customer satisfaction service is better than FedEx. Next is fast shipping, as their operations is very smooth and innovative, which ensures on-time delivery. And the last one is feasible prices. This is because timely delivery at an affordable price allows the company to earn more revenue. As for the weaknesses, the first one is dependence on the US. This is because they generate nearly 80% of its profits from the US. This clearly shows that they are highly dependent on the US, which is a major weakness of UPS. The next one is late delivery during holiday season. During the holiday season and special events, they take longer than usual to deliver deliveries. The next one is operation issues, where they use old and outdated infrastructure in this fast-moving world. The next one is poor safety, as they face many problems and difficulties in their work and operations. And the last one is transportation costs. In recent years, its transportation costs have increased, which could damage the company's profits and disrupt its operation. As for the opportunities, the first one is drone experiment. UPS is working on a drone delivery system. They also tested the system by bringing laboratory samples to different hospitals. The next one is focus on e-commerce operations. UPS should think about strengthening its online operations and services. This sector has great potential and can expand UPS profit. The next one is acquisitions and mergers. They are able to increase their market share and growth by acquiring and merging with different delivery companies and services. The next one is expand portfolio. UPS should diversify its portfolio by using different channels such as e-commerce. And the last one is expanding target market. Basically, UPS is a business shipping service for different retailers like Amazon. They can attract or target customers by leveraging different channels. Moving on to the last one, which is threats. The first one is stiff competition. There are some big players in this sector like FedEx, Amazon, DHL, and so on. They dominate the market with their services and offerings. The next one is trade tensions. As UPS operates globally and their stability and revenue depends on various regions of the world, but because of certain trade tensions, they can lose value. The third one is employer strikes. Employees are satisfied with the company's policies, but in the future, any form of protest or company strike could affect the company's image and profits. The next one is recession declining. The second wave of pandemics is also a major threat to UPS. They are already experiencing a 13% drop in their profits for this reason. And the last one is current worldwide pandemic. UPS is already facing a huge decline, fortunately due to air transport restrictions because of coronavirus. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Mohammad Nazim, so I'll be explaining about matching and recommendation for UPS company. Competitive strategy is a process through which an industry distinguishes itself from its competitor in a given market. This is both their competitive edge and the business strategy they will use. They provide low-cost service that enables clients to send items almost anywhere on the planet. They promise to give exceptional customer service and on time. They were able to deliver products more quickly and effectively from your front door as a result of technology advancement. UPS and FedEx have cut delivery costs to the point where they are now less expensive than UPS. Also, deal with the bigger volume and make sure that our customers are happy. Next is the Boston Consulting Group's BCG Matrix is a strategic management tool that aids in analyzing the status and potential of a significant business unit. Strategic business units that have a high rate of market growth and a big relative market share are referred as the stars. Cash cows are strategic business units with the modest rate of market growth but a larger relative market share. Next is recommendation. The first point is the importance of focusing on low cost and quality. UPS must take decisive action in each of these ways to differentiate as a firm that prioritizes low cost and high quality. These actions have yielded both tangible and intangible future results for the company. They have created their own set of terminology and norms by allowing their company to adapt to consumers' desires while staying inside the organization's parameter. Next is cost-cutting strategies. UPS maintains its market leadership by focusing on 3 key points. Area of demands. The company offers local and international package delivery as well as supply chain and freight service in the US. UPS goes to great lengths to cut expenses and increase efficiency, which many businesses would consider extreme. UPS trucks, for example, do not perform left-hand turns according to reports. Having an expert plan their routes before delivery saved them 20.4 million kilometers. This simple method has also had a significant environmental impacts, as it has reduced their carbon footprints by 20,000 metric tons. Making right-handed turn is safer and faster, according to the Senior Vice President Ben Stoffel. When he worked for UPS, employee told the management 310 class that there were rules about how drivers entered and exit vehicles. By having a certain foot you would walk onto the vehicle with, it saved time and gave UPS another advantage in the domain of low-cost approaches. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, good evening, Sir Hakim. My name is Muhammad Fidaus, and I would like to present to you about the conclusion of our assignment. So, as a conclusion, UPS is a good company viable to delivering the best quality with a reasonable costing in handling processes shipping to the end user. Well, typically, logistics industries often have a smooth operation, but due to the current COVID-19 pandemic, many companies, including UPS, suffers losses. But in order to counteract these pandemic issues, UPS has experimented to have a drone deliveries to the end user. This is done in order to minimize the casual contact between UPS with the end user. Other than that, UPS tracking system was also improved throughout these years because of the modernization of the technologies. Well, as I discussed earlier, UPS have a greater benefits because of the low cost with the high quality in the delivery services. That's all from me, and that's all from us. Thank you very much.